Welcome. In front of me I have Xiaomi Mi Smart Antibacterial Humidifier, and I'm going to show you how you can set scheduled turn on of this device. So at the first we have to move for Mi Home application on our phone. Next we have to click on our device. And then we have to go right here below and tap on the schedule turn on, turn off. Currently we got no schedules, but we can add one by tapping on this marker. And let's go for the scheduled on time. And let's go for the repeat. We can run it daily. And on we can set on the 8 o'clock. Click OK, tap on this marker. As you can see, turn it on. So into the 8 AM is going to be turn it on. So that's how we can make it. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments, and subscribe to our channel. See ya!